Lavina Israni, and this is my friend Oscar Jambor.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
So nice to have you guys over.
Thank you.
Yeah. And so you ordered a Portobello mushroom burger.
Yes.
How did you like it?
It was awesome. It was a jumbo burger and the portobello mushroom with the surprising cheese burst inside. I mean, the burger was already so much of cheese, but when you would bite into the mushroom, again more gooey cheese coming out of it. It was a very surprising indulgence. So yeah, it was nice and it was a very good choice we made. So thanks for suggesting.
Yeah, that's one of our newest burgers. We've just launched it.
Awesome.
And it's already doing so well with us because it's not fried.
Yeah, it's not fried. I know. I'll have to run less tomorrow.
Yeah.
But the best thing was like, if I mean, before I turned vegan, I know how the taste palette of the food changes, but this was like I couldn't tell if it was not vegan. And of course I trust you and your cafe. So yes, like I was so happy. I was like, ऐसे खाने मिलेंगे तो I will not go for a diet only. I'll just keep eating this only.
Yeah, because it is actually very healthy.
It was a healthy, the whole wheat
Yeah.
burger, gluten free if I'm not wrong.
No,
This one was not gluten.
it's a whole wheat,
Whole wheat,
but we do
non-fried.
we do gluten free also.
Fried with the the coleslaw and the fries, which I made him eat because I wanted to die.
Yeah, that was the only thing which was not very healthy.
But they
But-
that's okay.
But
That
that's
was-
something which always goes with a burger.
No, I'm gonna post the picture of the burger on my page because it was like, I sent it to my mom. She's like, she called me, what are you eating? I'm not rare eating a burger. She's like, acha rare, okay, vegan. You ate that whole thing? I'm like, no, I actually shared it with my friend. There are times I am quite capable of eating the whole thing, but right now, raat ko nahi, din mein I can eat that. But it was so good. It was really good. And the dessert also.
Yeah, you had that's one of my most favorite tarts. I love that.
Almond tart.
Yeah, almond, chocolate almond.
Chocolate almond tart.
Yeah.
It was so nice. Normally, when you see tarts, now they're pretty hard. But this one, I had a disposable fork and I just cut through it. And the moment I took a piece out, all the cream, the vegan whipped cream or the
No,
mousse.
that's like a freshly made. We make a sort of a paste.
Okay, so the paste, it just came, like it just came flowing out. It was so yummy and what a nice, sinful, yet delicious and healthy indulgence. So, thanks for writing my name on it also.
Sure, why not? It's not every day that we have such a big celebrity.
I
coming.
didn't know am I a celebrity?
Fine. Yes.
It
I'm just
depends.
kidding.
It depends for me you are, so that's what matters, right?
Thank you. No,
And-
I remember I came here when the cafe was just being made. The day the work was going on, when you had, I think, decided you want a cafe and all the work was going on. And I have ordered food from here, yes. But I think finally the day has come, the evening has come, and I've actually stepped into this place and had a good experience of vegan food. And thanks to you, the vibe is amazing. The food is, I would say, mashallah. You won't even know this is vegan food. You can actually fool people.
But definitely, I mean, a lot of people do that.
Yeah.
They buy a lot of stuff from
Stuff from
our
there.
cafe, and they call their non-vegan friends who have non-veg.
Okay.
And if you have my Rogan Josh, if you have my
Okay.
biryani, you really cannot. You will
Make
never
out
come
the
to.
difference.
You will never come to. Guaranteed. It's
I
that.
can say
That's
It's
nice.
that close.
So you can cheat
certain
people.
items.
So
I
you
won't
should
say.
actually consider starting to cater like vegan weddings where people won't complain of no meat.
Yeah, but that's what we want to do
Want to
actually.
do, so that's a good
Now,
idea, guys. If you're vegan, you're having a wedding or any sort of an occasion, consider this place. They will have mock meat and your friends won't complain. Rare earth.
we have this mock stick. It's like a stick with this kebab thing on it. In fact, it's so close. I mean, a lot of people who are very major meat eaters have come. We have served it to them, and this, oh my god, this, are you sure this is not meat?
Okay.
And we call it the non-veg to vegan converter.
Okay, so that's good. Like for people, I am not a person who's into mock meat because I turned vegan by choice. But for people who are trying to follow the healthy way, where they find it difficult to convert because of either
Taste.
addiction, taste, or any other family reasons, they can always have mock meat from here. There are mock meats available everywhere. But like you said, because I have heard one more review of yours where you said the person did not even know that this was not a actual non-veg biryani, it was a mock meat biryani. So yeah, like it's a good initiative, definitely.
And one last thing, like which I had told you earlier also, when you order food and when you eat here, you know the difference is a lot.
Difference is a
Because
lot, of course.
the freshness of the food, because we don't use any of the preservatives or anything. It's like proper food, so it's better to have it here.
Definitely. And if no preservatives is again a good. I think you make your mayo in house.
Yeah, we make everything. in-house.
Everything is made
Our
in
butter, our mayo, our curd, our
Or the
cheese,
butter
our
and the
breads.
tart.
Our breads are fresh. Our pizzas are made on the pan here, and
Yeah.
so it's like, and believe me, there's nothing like fresh bread. It's like when it comes out of the oven.
Oven, yeah.
Oh my god, that thing, and then when you put your butter or cheese. No, seriously, it's a very good.
So, that's the best thing. I once ordered your pizza in September and the base was gluten free. And I think it was made from Jawari.
Yeah,
Jawar.
yeah.
Like, who would have ever thought that eating pizza would actually be a healthy alternative? People are actually eating salads and having sandwiches for healthier options. But if you have a pizza from Rare, the gluten free option will actually
We
add.
don't put any sugar in it. Some of our pizzas are yeast free also.
Oh wow.
Yeah, there's no yeast.
So that's a
So
good
it's like
option for
having
people who
a-
are into
yeah.
like who have a lot of allergy from gluten or
So we've had people
yeast.
come here with a lot of allergies, like nut allergy, soy allergy,
allergy.
and
Peanuts.
they get surprised that we can serve them. They get totally surprised. Whenever we go somewhere with so many allergies, people say, sorry, we can't, we don't know what to serve. But here we have managed to do that. There was a couple who came in here with their 7-year-old son, and he was lactose intolerant, even so much of milk, and he would land up in hospital. So for 7 years, neither of the parents also had a pizza or a ice cream, and neither did the child. So when they came here, they went crazy. Pizzas, ice
No,
creams.
but to be honest, when I turned vegan, I didn't know that there was vegan cheese or the tart that I had. The first bite I said, "Oh, vegan butter!" Like finally, a taste of butter in my mouth after I converted it 2018, 18. So having butter or having all these kind of varieties where you say you get cheese and pizzas, it came to me as a I would not say cultural shock, but a cuisine shock to me when I got to know that vegan food has so many options that you don't need to compromise and just eat whatever you're eating. Another great concept what you have is vegan eat.
Yeah.
Vegan eat.
Yeah.
So I want to try that once and I will.
Yeah.
Just finding.
It's really
You have so many options. It's difficult to choose
Yeah.
for one single time what to eat, but definitely like.
no,
it's
but that's how I am. When I start something, I keep expanding on it like crazy. I just love to create and do different things.
That's a good thing. How was your experience with the vegan food?
Being a non
He's a vegetarian. No,
Vegetarian.
not vegetarian.
No, I didn't say. I said non-vegan.
Non-vegan, huh? Non-vegan. But I think he's eaten so many vegan stuff when I am around. But never been to an actual vegan restaurant, I guess, or vegan
Yeah,
cafe.
actually after having the first bite, I had to check the menu name. That is it a vegan restaurant or normal restaurant? Because it was better than normal restaurant.
Yeah, and I just want to say one more thing about our butter. It is made with non-refined coconut oil.
That's
Generally, most of the vegan butters they use refined coconut
Refined.
oil, and it's got turmeric, it's got nutritional yeast,
Wow.
and it's like you're having butter, but it's healthy, and it's good for your immunity.
That's awesome. So, kal bhagna kab
Come
padega. I was like, I'm eating so much of burger and
Yes.
tarts. I don't want to have to. I have dinner at home also prepared, which I have to eat. Otherwise, my mom will be like, "Okay, you're not eating her का खाना. So yeah, like that way it's so fun. Like
Well, I think
you know it's
tonight
healthy.
neither